Stage 1 LOX load is complete, and Stage 1 POGO.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket Tuesday afternoon at 4:35 p.m. Pacific Time from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California to launch 22 Starlink satellites to be added to the constellation. Unfortunately, there was an anomaly in the feed and the actual launch was not recorded. But we did get to see the first stage booster land on the drone recovery ship, Of Course, I Still Love You.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Stage 1 FTS has safed.
Stage 1 transonic.
Terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing burn.
Stage 2 FTS has safed.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
A short time later, the main engine shut down.
MVAC shut down.
And the second stage reached
Nominal orbit insertion.
another successful SpaceX launch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.